The rehab center says it's been inundated with phone calls and even surprise visits from fans of this viral bird, whose condition, we're told, is not improving.
We wish we had better news to share.
Jackie's caretakers say the bald eagle is fighting for her life at a specialized rehabilitation center in Southern California after she was injured in a fight with two younger eagles 3 weeks ago.
I'm hoping that she'll recover because she's just so wonderful to watch.
For nearly a decade, people around the world have followed Jackie's life on Big Bear Lake, California. Via 24-hour live stream, millions have watched her grow and raise a family with her partner, Shadow. But now the love nest is mostly empty while Jackie is in intensive care, receiving oxygen therapy, supportive treatment, and around-the-clock monitoring. Friday, her rehab team updated that she is in critical condition.
Her packed cell volume, or PCV, which measures the percentage of red blood cells in the bloodstream, has fallen below 10% again.
While veterinarians continue to test and treat Jackie, fans are hoping she will be back in her nest again soon.
With all the craziness that's going on in the world, this is a respite, and it's wonderful to be able to see it. And that's why people are, hoping and praying that, she takes a turn for the better.
Jackie already has a lasting legacy. Tom, over the last few months, fans, with the help of a super donor, have raised over $10 million to prevent developers from building luxury housing on the land where her nest is.
Allie, thank you for that.